Morning.
Zaya.
Good morning, Rochelle. Both of you from
Yeah.
Philippines?
Philippines.
Oh, I'm from Indonesia, okay? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Strom, what are you doing now, Strom? Are you working now?
Me now.
Rochelle, not working today with Rochelle?
Yes.
So, Strom, your name is Strom?
Taylin.
Really? Okay. So, where are you living in Philippines, Rochelle?
Valenzuela.
Valenzuela. And how about you, Strom? Are you living in Manila?
Bakit?
Yeah.
English speaking
Metro
pa?
Manila.
Pwede pa kita Tagalog, please. Dumudugo na ilong namin.
Oh my God, Strom, you cannot
Kaya nga
speak
po
English,
eh.
okay?
Very
Oh, sorry
nosebleed.
for that. Okay, you cannot
Oh
speak
my
English.
God.
Just for the Lord.
We don't
Oh
know
my
how to
God.
understand English, please. Can you Tagalog? Can you speak Tagalog, please?
No, no, I don't speak
Where are
Tagalog,
you from,
sister.
Tia?
Okay,
Where are you from?
I'm from
It's very
Indonesia.
hard to understand what are you talking about.
I'm from
Yeah,
Indonesia.
dumudugo na yung ilong ko
Are
dito.
you English speaking?
Sorry?
Grabe na to. Kanina pa nga ako, nagpasalamat nga ako, bumaba na yung mga post na mga Saudi. Mga ano yun. Nahihirapan
Nag-out
kami
nga ako
mag-English
kanina
eh.
kasi
From,
yung mga
can you
kaano ko din,
translate in
puro din
English?
mga English speaking eh.
Bak ngerti mereka.
Nag-out
Hirap
ako
kaya.
kanina.
Bro,
Talaga,
You don't
sobrang
know how to
hirap.
speak English? How to speak Tagalog?
but you speak English. You can speak little bit English, Tom. I can understand when you speak English, okay?
Si Mr. Zia. Mr. Zia, you don't know how to speak Tagalog?
I don't know. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Ah, that
Mas
Pero
lalong
kung
hindi natin maintindihan